Today we will be creating a brown smoky eye look. At first I'm gonna prime my eyes. For that I am using a concealer. You can also use a eyeshadow primer. I am using a flat eyeshadow brush to spread the concealer on my eyes. You can also use your finger. After that I will be using my finger to blend the concealer a little bit more. For setting the concealer I will be using a loose powder. Here I am using W7 banana dream loose powder. I am simply using an eyeshadow brush. For my eyeshadow I will be using Beauty Glaze Gorgeousme palette. Here I will take this soft shade from the palette and apply it on the inner part of my eyes. After that I will take this shade from the palette. It's a little bit darker from the previous one. I will apply it over the previous one. Then I will be taking this shade from the palette. It's a little bit dark brown. I will apply it beside the soft brown shade. The brush I am using is mainly a concealer brush. You can also use it for blending. After that I will take this brown shade from the same palette. It's a little bit more dark and I will apply it right beside the previous one. Take your time to blend the eyeshadows, otherwise your eyeshadows will look patchy or it will not look that much gorgeous. After that I will take this darker shade of brown and apply it on the outer V of my eyes. I will kinda drag it a little bit in. I will use a fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend the eyeshadows. I think I need to intensify the inner part of my eyes. That's why I will apply a concealer at first. Then I will be applying the same soft brown shade again. I will apply some concealer under my eyes and use a beauty blender to blend it. I will use this shade on the lower lash line. I will use this shade to draw a glitter liner. You can also use a glitter liner if it is available to you. The brush I am using is a painting brush. I will also put some under my eyes. Then for my liner, I will be using W7 liquid liner. I will draw a thin line for my eyeliner. I will keep it as close to lash line as possible. I will also apply some under my eyes. After that, I will be using an eyebrow brush to smudge the liner under my eyes. Here I have taken a black eyeshadow. I will be using a nude pencil on the waterline. For highlighting the inner corner and the brow bone, I am using a golden highlighter. After that, I will curl my lashes and apply mascara. Here I am using Bows mascara. I have spread the mascara a little bit. I will fix it with the concealer. I will extend my inner corner a little bit, then I will apply my false lashes, and it's the final look for today.